Alright, so I got two CR10S. I have got a Bluetooth direct drive, mess of wires. There's one, and there's the other. Okay, so the issue is, all the time since I've had the Bluetooth, the BL Touch on this, I have got inconsistent leveling. So you can see how bad that one is. That one I would say is perfect if it focused and the light didn't make it look dodgy, but you can see the idea is like, yep, nope, 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 terrible, really bad. Yeah, but not as bad as it has been. So this is no longer on springs, and I knew previously the right hand side was actually higher. So I've kind of shifted it to be level, but still the BL Touch should be taking care of that, right? So we have this one, which had pretty much the same setup and the cable chain and everything, except, sorry, let's start that again. This one was working fine. It had the same setup and I had a cable chain on it. I replaced the old cable chain with a new one that was a bit more firmer, more infill, and now we're doing the same thing. So some of them are really good, and then some of them are terrible. So I took the chain off, thinking that maybe the chain, because it was the only thing that was different, was causing the issue. And no, it wasn't. So now I've got two of them in the same state with crap bed leveling. I can't even English. The bed is not leveling properly with the BL Touch. It should. Like I said, this one used to be okay until I messed with it today. And I haven't changed any settings. I have done a new Z Probe Wizard. And yeah, it's just, I don't get it. Why would it be good on one side or, just randomly crapping? It makes no sense. Please help.